Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. You're looking at three different micro SD cards. So I figured I'd try a couple tests on these to make sure they're the right size and see if they kind of own up to the speeds that they say. 100 meg, 130, and up to 200. Now, I'm going to give these a go with the Raspberry Pi, but I figured I'd kind of make a video, see what the test results are. So we're going to pop over to the Windows machine, and I have installed three different types of software to test the cards. So we'll see you there. Alright, now that we're back here on the computer, I have the Lexar SD card plugged in. So we're just going to go ahead and do a speed test here. Well, read and write test. Now, I didn't mess with none of the settings over here. I just left them the way they were when the program opened up. And as you can see, we got 56 on the write, 93 on the read. So this test here, we're just going to throw 500 meg on it so it doesn't take so long. And as you can see, it's relatively close, 56.9 write and 89.4 read. So that is that one. So now we are going to move over to the Samsung, and we are just going to let everything alone. And as you can see, the write speed on this card is about 20 couple meg less than the Lexar. So this one's definitely slower. Now the read speed's pretty identical compared to the last one, but if you are writing a lot of information to the card, this might not be the one. And we'll do the same thing over here. We'll refresh that, and we'll do the same thing. Alright, as you can see, we have 32.4, which is really close to that, and 88.1. Alright, so now let's move to the Sandisk. Now, I always had good luck when it came to Samsung cards, especially the green ones for the Raspberry Pi. Never really had any issue. Alright, so let's try this guy. And as you can see right off the bat, we are getting 85 compared to the 32 or the 55. 50 coupled from the other card. And the write speed is hanging around the same. And as you can see, we have 85 write, 92 read. And we'll do a refresh here. And we'll just do the same test with this one. So this card here is definitely worth the money compared to the other two put together. Alright, well, there's a simple test between three different cards, three different brands, all 64 gig cards, and I was using the SD adapter plugged into my USB 3.0 or 3.1 reader. Alright. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one.